Tired of your social media feed feeling a little too cluttered and impersonal? Let's dive into Instagram Threads, the app designed to bring you closer to the people who matter most. First things first, you need to download the Instagram Threads app. Head over to your phone's App Store, a circumflex euros. That's the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, simply type in Instagram Threads and hit search. You'll see the app pop up. Look for the familiar Instagram logo with the Threads icon next to it. This is the official app, so make sure it's the one you're downloading. Once you find it, tap on the Install or Get button. Depending on your device, the app will download and install automatically. It's a small app, so it shouldn't take too long. After installation, locate the Threads icon on your home screen and tap to open it. The first time you launch Threads, it'll ask you to log in with your Instagram account. Just use your existing Instagram username and password. This links your accounts, meaning your Instagram friends who also use Threads can find you easily. Now, let's get to the good stuff: setting up your close friends list. Within Threads, you'll have the option to create a close friends list for Instagram. This is where you decide who gets to see your most private, spontaneous moments. Tap on the option to edit your close friends list, and you can select from your entire Instagram follower list. Simply tap the check mark next to the people you want to add to your inner circle. You can always adjust this list later, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect right away. Once your close friends are set, you can start sharing. Threads is designed for quick photos, videos, and status updates. When you share, you can specifically choose to send it only to your close friends, ensuring a more intimate and focused conversation. No more broadcasting to everyone, just genuine connection with the people you truly want to stay in touch with. Get Threads today and rediscover the joy of private social sharing.